Picture this, it's a Monday morning. Sarah, like many others, finds herself scrolling through her social media feed, bombarded with images of celebrities sipping on green juices, captions boasting about their latest detox diets, and promises of shedding those extra pounds in just days. Tempted by the lure of these promises, Sarah wonders, is it time for me to try one of these detox diets? Do these detox diets really flush out toxins from our body? Can they truly lead to quick weight loss? Or is it just another trendy wellness fad with little substance? If you're curious like Sarah, stick around with us. And while you're here, consider subscribing to Very Okay. We're dedicated to delving deep into health trends, separating the facts from the hype, so you can make informed decisions. The concept of detoxification isn't new. For centuries, various cultures practiced detoxing in the form of fasting or consuming specific foods to purify the body and spirit. But with the advent of modern lifestyles and dietary habits, the idea of detoxing has taken a more commercial turn, often promising quick fixes. Top 5 tips to detox the right way. Number 5. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water aids the body's natural detoxification processes, helping to flush out toxins. Number 4. Eat whole foods. Opt for natural, unprocessed foods rich in antioxidants. Think berries, nuts, and dark leafy greens. Number 3. Limit processed sugar and salt. These can cause your body to retain water, leading to bloating and hindering the detox process. Number 2. Exercise regularly. Sweat is another way our bodies eliminate toxins. Number 1. Get adequate sleep. Rest is when our body's repair and detoxification processes are most active. Now, back to those burning questions. Do detox diets really work? In short, while certain detox methods can be beneficial, many commercial detox diets aren't based on sound science, and can even be harmful if not done right. The body already has a built-in detox system in the form of our liver, kidneys, and other organs. Instead of extreme diets, adopting a balanced, healthful lifestyle is the best detox there is. Quick weight loss promises? While some might experience quick weight loss initially, it's often water weight, and not a sustainable or healthy way to maintain weight. Just a wellness fad? Like any trend, it's essential to do your research. While there's no magic bullet, a balanced approach to detoxing, as outlined in our top tips, can indeed benefit your health. Beyond the hype, do detox diets really work? In the bustling world of wellness and nutrition, detox diets have secured a prominent spotlight. With promises of flush toxins and rapid weight loss, it's tempting to dive right in. But like any trend, it's essential to understand the nuances. Let's break down the pros and cons of detox diets. Pros of detox diets. Enhanced hydration. Many detox diets emphasize drinking a lot of water, which promotes hydration. Proper hydration aids in digestion, skin health, and overall well-being. Awareness of processed foods. Engaging in a detox often means cutting out heavily processed foods, encouraging a shift towards more whole, natural foods. Short-term weight loss. Initial stages of detox diets can lead to weight loss, mainly due to reduced caloric intake and loss of water weight. Mental reset. The idea of starting fresh can be psychologically invigorating for some, setting the stage for healthier long-term habits. Increased nutrient intake. Some detox diets emphasize consuming nutrient-dense foods, like fruits, vegetables, and nuts, which can be beneficial for health. Cons of detox diets. Nutritional deficiencies. Restrictive detox diets can lead to a lack of essential vitamins and minerals if followed for extended periods. Muscle loss. Extreme low-calorie detox diets can result in muscle loss rather than fat loss. Digestive issues. Suddenly consuming high amounts of liquids or fiber, especially if not accustomed, can lead to digestive issues like diarrhea or bloating. Lack of scientific backing. Many claims associated with detox diets, especially commercial ones, lack substantial scientific evidence. Potential for disordered eating. Cycle of detoxing and then reverting to previous eating habits can pave the way for unhealthy patterns and relationship with food. Strain on organs. extreme detox methods might strain organs like the liver and kidneys, which naturally detoxify the body. Quick weight rebound. The weight loss during a detox is often quickly regained once the diet is over, especially if it was mainly water weight. In conclusion, while there might be some benefits to detox diets, it's essential to approach them with caution and awareness. Detoxing should not be a stand-in for a consistently healthy lifestyle. Before making any drastic dietary changes, always consult with a healthcare professional to ensure it's safe and appropriate for you. Here are 5 simple and safe detox recipes. 1. Lemon Ginger Detox Drink. Ingredients: 1 cup warm water, 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice, 1 inch ginger root grated, 1 teaspoon raw honey optional. Instructions: warm the water but don't bring it to a boil. Add lemon juice and grated ginger to a mug. Pour the warm water over the lemon and ginger. Stir in honey, if using, and enjoy first thing in the morning. 2. Green Detox Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 cup fresh spinach, 1/2 green apple cord, 1/2 banana, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Instructions: combine all ingredients in a blender. Blend until smooth and enjoy as a morning or afternoon snack. 3. Detoxifying Beet Salad. Ingredients: 1 medium beetroot grated, 1 carrot grated, 1/4 cup fresh parsley chopped, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: mix grated beetroot, carrot, and parsley in a bowl. In a separate bowl, whisk together olive oil and apple cider vinegar. Pour the dressing over the salad and season with salt and pepper. 4. Cucumber Mint Water. Ingredients: 1 cucumber, thinly sliced, 10 fresh mint leaves, 1 liter of water. Instructions: place cucumber slices and mint leaves in a jug. Pour water over the cucumber and mint. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours to let flavors infuse. Drink throughout the day. 5. Turmeric and ginger tea. Ingredients: 1 cup water, 1 inch fresh turmeric root sliced, 1 inch ginger root sliced, 1 teaspoon honey optional, lemon slice for garnish. Instructions: bring the water to a boil in a small saucepan. Add turmeric and ginger slices. Reduce heat and simmer for about 10 minutes. Strain into a mug, add honey if desired, garnish with a lemon slice, and enjoy. These recipes offer a gentle and nourishing way to introduce detoxifying ingredients into your daily routine. Remember, consistency is key when aiming for health benefits. Always listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional before starting any detox regimen. If you found these detox recipes helpful and are keen to explore more health and nutrition tips, don't forget to like this video. By sharing, you're helping others discover simple ways to lead a healthier lifestyle. And to ensure you never miss out on our latest insights, recipes, and wellness hacks, make sure to subscribe to Very OK. Let's embark on a journey to better health, together. Thanks for watching. Very OK.